Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can fix transaction field when trying to create private server on your Roblox. So first up, open your Roblox account, and then from here, go to the experience that you're trying to join. For example, here on 10 Shadows, I'm going to click this game right here. Now once you're here, click on the server stub right over here, and then it will preview the private server you created for the game. So some Roblox experience like this allows you to create one private server for free. And when you actually create your private server, you will see the transaction field. You cannot have more active free private servers error. But if you didn't create a private server for this game yet, the Roblox experience might be age restricted. So from here, you will see the age restriction under the name of the experience. So if it's not set to all ages, then go to your account settings. So click on the gear icon at the top right hand corner, and then from here, click on the settings. Once you click on settings, here you need to make sure that you set your birthday correctly. And here in the parental controls or parental controls section, make sure to allow experiences that are suitable for the age requirement. So in this sample, it's 13 plus, but if it's set to 17 plus, you still be able to join the Roblox game. And then here you need to required to enter your parent's PIN if parental controls are enabled. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.